Hello friend, after long time I didn't upload videos last 3 months because my exam. I plant coriander tree. This is coriander tree. This is coriander flower. In Sri Lanka called Kottamalli. This is chili plant. Right. This is my home garden. This is sadika tree. This is wambatu tree. This is orange tree. This is Murunga tree. This is Makaran. This is papaya tree. This is banana tree. As soon as I will upload cooking video. If you like my video, please click subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you.